In this presentation, we outline our strength research results and what they mean for the study. When we compared bench press and hand grip strength between the exercise science and non-exercise science groups, we saw a slightly higher 1-rep max and stronger hand grip in the exercise science group. However, the p-values show that there was not a significant difference for both 1-rep max and for hand grip. And we also noticed that the standard deviations in both groups for hand grip were quite large.
Looking at the IFIS data, these are the numbers we found for the correlation coefficients between the three groups: all subjects, exercise science majors, and non-exercise science majors. It was a weak positive relationship between the three. For the correlation of determination, it was a weak association between the variables. Looking at the degrees of freedom, we found 66 for all subjects, 36 for exercise science majors, and 28 for non-exercise science majors. Our results show that college major is a weak predictor of perceiving strength. Non-exercise science majors had a stronger correlation, even if it was not by very much. Also, their relationships were not significant.
Number of subjects that correctly perceived their strength versus not. We found that for exercise science majors, 7 people correctly perceived their strength and 31 did not. And for non-exercise science majors, 5 perceived correctly while 25 did not. And then we looked at perceived strength for all subjects. So 12 correctly perceived their strength and 56 did not correctly perceive their strength.
There was a significant difference found between males and females who are exercise science majors in both bench press and hand grip. Males measured an average of 48.84 kilograms on hand grip, while females averaged 37.05 kilograms. For bench press 1-rep max relative to body mass, males were a ratio of 1.20 compared to females with a 0.61. There is also a significant difference found in strength between males and females who are non-exercise science majors. Males measured an average of 52.69 kilograms for hand grip and a ratio of 1.01 for bench press 1-rep max relative to body mass, while females averaged 32.94 kilograms for hand grip and a ratio of 0.58 for bench press 1-rep max relative to body mass.
When we compared the bench press and hand grip strength between male exercise science majors and male non-exercise science majors, we saw a slightly higher 1-rep max relative to body mass ratio in the male exercise science group, but a slightly lower hand grip strength compared to the male non-exercise science group. Additionally, the p-values show that there was not a significant difference for both 1-rep max and for hand grip strength. When comparing the bench press and hand grip strength between female exercise science majors and female non-exercise science majors, we saw a slightly higher 1-rep max relative to body mass ratio and hand grip strength in the exercise science group. However, the p-values show that there was not a significant difference for both 1-rep max and for hand grip strength.